And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 136. Let me show you the zoom tool. You can find it right here, should be at the bottom right. Z is the short key, and if you left click drag, you can specifically define the area that you want to zoom in. But you can also just left click for zooming, and if you hold Alt, the little cursor here changes to a minus sign from a plus, and then you can left click on your mouse to zoom out. Under view you will find these options too. You can also use Control, plus and minus for zooming in incremental and out. But the very specific shortcut that I would recommend that you memorize is Control 0, because Control 0 fits the canvas basically to your workspace. So whenever you get lost, pressing Control 0 will give you this 100% level for the view, and then you can see everything that's on your canvas. Fit artboard in Windows is the official term here that's used for it. Control 0 once again. Try to memorize that. If you're used to Photoshop, it's actually the same. And another functionality of the zoom tool that's replaced is the gradual zoom. You can simply hold Alt and then use your mouse wheel. So if you use your mouse wheel back and forth, you can zoom in and out as well. And that's what I usually use. Zoom tool is nice to have, but Control 0 and a mouse wheel while holding Alt, this is usually what I use for zooming in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.